We've got one more show to do with this, September 19th down at the Leon Solent Victory, so we'll do a bit of work just to tidy it up a bit more. That box don't look square. So it's gone wrong. It don't look far off, does it? Still seems to tilt out a bit. I think that's that bent, that's where the armour is higher than...
Yeah, it's got quite a curve, isn't it?
Yeah, it's funny because the other side hasn't got that.
Yeah, bloody hell, isn't it? There's quite a raise in it there.
Yeah. Further your way up. Okay. Test, or just go for it.
Not perfect, but...
See if it fits.
Yeah, I hope it fits.
Yeah. All right, because it's less metal.
Yeah. Because the digital readout on the machine isn't working, I can't program it to allow for it.
It just puts you right off the fact that it's got the shape of the bottom of the Sherman.
Don't make them piss.
After lunch down the pub, this is, isn't it?
It's a Friday afternoon box, that is.
Yeah. These look good, don't they? Got to paint this one. Yeah, I still don't know why we got these. Maybe we're remaking Ice Station Zebra, perhaps? Who knows? think of them then, Del?
Can't drive it like I drive it, can he? He drives it like dog shit.
They sound alright. Yeah. Never done any mileage. You got a licence for that? No, Technis one I'm on about. Motor sounds sweet. God, look at that for health and safety. As long as I don't get caught up in that UJ at the end, everything's good. I've just got to mount it on there now, down at the floor. But in theory, that might save us if we fall into it. Well, that's it all bolted down. I guess if we take it out of gear on the manual box and we spin it over, we should, I'll stand clear just in case it does catch it, but it should spin nicely in there. Checking the, I don't hear anything binding. Best way to find out. Well, that's a good sign. Not wearing anywhere. I might make something up just to cover that UJ, just a bit of plate, stop you getting a shoelace quick caught in it or whatever. But yeah, mission successful on that. Health and safety, look. I look after Del. There we go, braid up box number 2. This one's a bit tighter on the lid. But it'll do, won't it? Put the part. Who designed these boxes, eh? He's shooting. What an awkward shape. That's the oddest shaped box ever, isn't it? Especially when you consider the bottoms all over the place. Yeah, it's a big old square at the back, isn't it?
good idea,
I think it'll help actually, because you can't drive this thing without a set of goggles on. You get all the shit comes up off the tracks. It's like a funnel going in there. So, look right. So it's what's meant to be there. Pissy weather.
It's still doing it.
Bit of scaffolding. Well, a bit of grinding on that top to get that lip to go up. It's quite. Bit of grinding. Bit more welding. We'll put a bit of rod in here so we don't got as much weld to go in. Weld up all these gaps, grind it all back down again so we've got that same curve as that. So it's got a flat bottom to it, which is why we've got this sheet on the bottom. And hopefully it should look quite good, look almost real. The start of our door and ring, but it ain't going to hinge today. We've got this little lamp post to go on there. Bit of a rush job just to take it to Leon Solent, but it don't look too bad actually, does it? I say if we blob it on there, it ain't far off, you know. And it looks pretty straight-ish. Yeah, let's go for it there then, mate. That's looking cool. Well, it looks the part. Bit more work on that top ring, but we're impatient, just wanted to put a bit of paint on there. Well, a bit of a transformation to when it arrived this week. Bit more done to it. You can see we've got to do the top of that cupola ring still, and what we call the railway sleeper, the railway track. That's all got to come all the way across to the top and down to the back. But yeah, good week. Thanks for watching.
proving grounds for final tests before being shipped overseas, the United States Army's new 240mm howitzers roll into position. Each unit weighs 91,000 pounds. The powerful mobile field guns hurl 360-pound shells a distance of more than 15 miles. And the command is, fire!